Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix access denied you don't have permission to access on this server. First method is type inetcpl.cpl in Windows search bar. Click inetcpl.cpl. Click Connection tab. Click LAN settings. Uncheck us a proxy server for your LAN. Click OK. Second method is open Chrome browser. Click three dots on the top right corner. Click Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data. Time range, select all time. Check cookies and other site data. Click Clear Data. Third method is, click three dots on the top right corner. Click More Tools, Extensions. Click Open Chrome Web Store. Type Ola VPN. Click Add to Chrome. Select any location. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.